Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I absolutely love filming hauls. So I have a haul. The ones I've been doing lately have been drugstore hauls, the past two ones that I did, I believe. So today I have a Sephora haul. Now, not all of these products were purchased at Sephora, but they can be purchased at Sephora. And the reason I didn't purchase everyone at Sephora is because I'm a bargain shopper. I'm always on the hunt for a deal. I like going on the company's website. A lot of the times they'll have like 15 to 20% off. I always use Ebates because you also get a percentage back on your purchases if you are on a website making a purchase and they're partnered with Ebates. And I have so many really great products that I'm excited to show you guys. The first thing I'm going to show you is this. It's Ultra Repair. It's a tinted moisturizer with an SPF of 30, and it's in the color Natural, and it has a luminous finish. And it's by Fenty Beauty, and it's safe for sensitive skin. I really like tinted moisturizers, so I'm on the hunt for that perfect one for me because I don't wear a full coverage foundation on a regular basis. I like it. I like wearing them once in a while, but I don't wear them on a regular basis, so I figured I'd try this one out. It is kind of small. I think it was only $28 though, so it's not too bad. I'll actually give it a little try. We'll see how it looks. See if that's a... Ooh, that looks very orange. Blend it out. This is on my hand, and my hands are the lightest part on my body right now. So hopefully that's not too dark for me, but if it is, it probably won't be in the summer months. So I'll definitely give this a try soon. I was thinking of doing a first impressions of all of this, or some of these products. I do have a first impressions of all the drugstore makeup that I showed in my last haul. I'd like to do a first impressions with that stuff eventually, and so maybe I'll do one with all of the stuff from this haul or some of the stuff from this haul as well. Now, since we're on, I just showed you the tinted moisturizer. Another face product that I just purchased, it's the Stila Aqua Glow Perfecting Primer. So this, it was, my local Sephora is clearancing, like reducing the price of all their Stila because they're taking out the Stila display, and I know that they're bringing in a couple of different brands this month, so I'm excited to see which ones. They would not tell me. But this was on sale for $14, so I decided to pick this up. And this, okay, so this is a priming stick. Let's see if we can notice anything here. Ooh, oh, that feels really nice and smooth. I like the way it feels. It's like cooling. Rub it in. That feels really nice. I like that. So we'll try that on my face and see how it works. I'm really interested to try this Stila primer with the new the tinted moisturizer by First Aid that I bought. I want to see how those two pair together. So that's probably what I'll do if I do that first impressions video. It feels really nice. I really like how it feels. The tinted moisturizer I'm a little worried about because it does, you can see the moisturizer's on this hand, so it kind of has a little bit of like a orange tint to it, a little darker than my natural skin tone right now. Okay, so I also, this I believe is a newer product, and this is Urban Decay. It's the Velvetizer. It's a translucent mix-in medium, so you can use this as like a setting powder. It is translucent. Or you can mix it in with your foundation or tinted moisturizer. So I might even give this a try in the First Aid Beauty tinted moisturizer. But I thought it was really neat, and I love experimenting with products. So there's like this velvet purple band around the base of the container. It's really nice. But it's a pretty decent size. I'm sure this would last a very long time. Now next I purchased, this is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and it's a match stick. It's a matte skin stick. So this is a contour stick. It's in the shade Amber. And I saw this in one of Stephanie Nicole's videos. I think she's so amazing. She's so informative. She's so diligent. I mean, she does her research. She gives information based on facts, based on things that she knows. And she's very educated on a lot of makeup products and skincare products. And I really appreciate that. Now, she did her, it was like the yearly contour favorites or I think that was the video. It was like her favorite contour products from 2017. and she recommended this, and she does have a light skin tone like myself. This container is really cool. I love this nude packaging, and this is what the stick looks like, and it's a twist up, and I'm gonna swatch that. This is like the perfect cool tone, and I think I'm really gonna like this, and I want to get into more cream products. Okay, the next thing, oh, it was another Stila, because again, they've reduced all their prices. This one doesn't have a price tag, but I have mostly black eyeliners, and I wanted to get some more different colored eyeliners, but I like dark shades. So this is a deep burgundy, and it's their smudge stick waterproof eyeliner. So I thought this would be perfect. I do a lot of eye looks that would look good with this color eyeliner. Oh, that goes on very easily. I barely have to press down. I'm barely pressing and that goes on. That's like the perfect like plum brown, like deep color. I think that's going to be a really great color for eyeliner. Okay, shoo. Next, well, I just showed you the contour stick. I also picked up, I've been wanting this for a really long time. It's the Tarte Park Ave Princess. It's the face palette, the chisel palette. Yay, I'm so excited about this. I've seen a lot of people review it and, you know, say that it's a really nice palette. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, beyond gorgeous. I absolutely love rose gold. And what you have is you have 4 contour, well, it looks like maybe some contour and bronzer and highlight shades. I'm just going to swatch a couple. I'll do Carrot, which is this contour shade right here. And I'll swatch Angle, which looks like a good bronzer right there. So that's how those look. And then, so we have the contour, or I would use it as a contour. And then this one I would use as bronzer. Those feel so nice. I really like the way they feel. They seem to blend very nicely. That contour and the way that blends, that's going to be awesome, I think. I think I'm really going to like that. The next thing I'm going to show you does have contour. It has a contour, a blush, and a highlighter. This is by Tarte. This is one of their little face palettes. You know, they have like the Pro Go one, and this is a new one. It's a Hamptons. Yes, Hamptons Weekender. So, what was it? Oh, the other one has like a bronzer or contour and then 2 highlighters. So this one's bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And I saw this in the store, and I did really like the way it looked, the way it swatched. I knew I liked the other ones they have of these, so that's what it looks like inside. Let's give these a little swatch. Just swatching everything today, but I'm so excited. I love new makeup, and I've been hanging on to this stuff and not touching it because I've been waiting till I had a good amount to film a haul to show you guys all the stuff. So I finally have a good amount. That swatches really nicely. That's a good light shade for me, especially right now. Oh yes, that blush. Blush. Last but certainly not least, the highlight. Oh yes, I love it. I knew I would like this. The first time I saw this and swatched it, I really liked it, and I had it, and then I put it back, and then I had it, and put it back. I didn't get it, so I went on the Tarte website and placed a purchase. They had 20% off, and okay, so the next thing, like I was telling you, the reason I was on the Tarte website and making a purchase is because of the Rainforest of the Sea foil finger paints. Oh, I swatched this every time I would go into Sephora. I would swatch it and be like, oh, $39, just a few things. The top coats I'm not sure if I would use. Oh, and I went back and forth so many times, but there's this one color in here that I just could not resist. And literally every time I go to the store, I have to swatch that color. It's insane. And not to mention the packaging. I mean, come on. Tarte has some of the most beautiful packaging. I love this. So you open it up. If you haven't seen this, I'm sure a lot of you have. So these are recommended to use with your finger. You get 3 eyeshadow shimmer shades, foil shades. And then these 2 are like top coats. So you would use a color as a base and then put these on top. And it's funny, when I went to the store, these two were the most swatched out of the palette that they have on display. But the color that I am just, so obsessed with is this Gold Coast right here. I'm going to swatch it for you, obviously. There's something about it. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. How metallic and shiny and beautiful. Oh my god. Okay. This is swatching it. Look at that. It's so smooth. It's so metallic and beautiful. It's like that perfect, perfect champagne shimmer shade. I just cannot get enough of it. I love this color. It's just the perfect, 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 like perfect champagne eyelid shade. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. Since the two top coats were the most swatched, I'll swatch those for you too. Actually, I could probably swatch everything in here because it's only a few. Wow, that's like wet. It's a very wet formula. So yeah, I mean, these would look great on top of like a solid, a matte, like a dark matte shade on your eyelid, and then putting one of those on top. That's what they're meant for. They're really pretty. It's just because what I already have this blush on my hand, I'll just put one over the blush just to get an idea of what it would look like on top of a shadow. Oh, that's like, I can see it reflecting in my camera lens, and it looks like red. That's crazy. But yeah, I think this palette is gorgeous. I'll swatch the other two shades for you as well. I'm running out of space. Okay, so that burgundy shade is here, and then the sea glass. Wait, no. Yeah, it's called sea glass. And then the other one, it's like a bronzy shade. Isn't those gorgeous? Oh my god. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to try this out. This will definitely be one that I use in the first impressions video that I film, if I end up filming it. Do me a favor and give me a thumbs up if you would want to see me try some of these products in a first impression. I really enjoy doing first impressions, and while, you know, some people argue that it's not informative, you're just using it for the first time, but yeah, it's fun to, I like seeing other people's first impressions and what they first think of a product, because sometimes when you first try a product and you're amazed by it, first time you use it, you know it's going to be good. You know you're going to continue to use it and like it. I don't know. I just think they're fun to film and they're fun to watch, so give me a thumbs up if that's something that interests you guys. Now the next product, I have 4 more products. 3 are lip, and one is this Too Faced Diamond Highlighter. Diamond Light Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter. Now I don't usually go for the highlighters that like have a lot of colors, like that like opal almost, like it's like a shiny, like, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so I don't usually go for this type of highlighter with all the different colors in it. I like pretty neutral highlighters, but this, I saw, you know, several people, I don't remember exactly who off the top of my head, but I saw several beauty YouTubers, you know, trying it on and saying how it looks really nice. It looks natural. It, you know, blends evenly onto the skin. I saw that and I thought that it looked really lovely. Swatched it in the store. Also really, really enjoyed the way it looked. And it comes in this cute little case. It's like a diamond ring, you know, a little diamond ring box. It even has this little gold button there. So you open it up. This is what it looks like. So you can see all the different blues and greens and purple hues and yellows in there. Really, really pretty. Don't get me. And it's so soft. And that's what it looks like. And then we'll just swatch it. That's pretty. So that's so pretty. Again, I don't usually go for any blue or purple in my highlight, but this was an exception, and I can't wait to try it on my face and see if, you know, I like it. See, yeah, it does. It blends nicely into the skin. Look at that. It's so radiant. Oh, so pretty. I can't wait to try this. It's really, really pretty. I think a little bit would definitely go a long way. Alright, last 3 things that I have to show you. They are all lip products. So have you seen how Sephora has this line now? They have their Sephora, their lipsticks, and they're only $8, and they're all have their own individual, like, cute packaging, different design on it. So this one, it's in the shade, what shade is it? They're called Lip Stories. This is number 41 in the shade Metal. So I guess I'm going to open it. Alright, so this is different. This is a different color than I usually go for, just because it's almost like a nude, but it has a lot of shimmer in it. Look at that. That's pretty. The formula feels nice, and I really was drawn to this color. This is really the only color in that line that catches my eye, so be fun to try that one. 2 more lip products, another Sephora, and I don't usually buy Sephora products, but I don't know. Some of their lip products have really been catching my attention lately. So this is one of their lip glosses, and look at that the packaging is so pretty. It has like a crisscross design, clear glass. This is Outrageous Effect Volume Plump Effect. This is in number 6, Exponential Pink. So I'll go ahead and open this and swatch it as well. That's what the top has, the color there. Really pretty. Let's see. I did not swatch this. I ordered this online, so I haven't tried this, swatched it or anything. Oh, look at the applicator. It's like curved and shorter and thicker than usual, but it does have that like open slit in the middle. Ooh, okay, that's pretty. That's what it looks like swatched. So this looks like something I would really enjoy. And the last product is Buxom. It's lightweight liquid lipstick. I think it's one of their new ones. It's a Wildly Whipped, so it's like a whipped texture, whipped consistency. This is in the color, whoa, Wondrous. This is like a rosy shade. It's like a rosy shade. This is what their packaging looks like. And I will swatch this as well. Yeah, it's a very whipped, like moussey texture. I think that the lip gloss, looking at these two next to each other, the lip gloss would go really good on top of this. These colors look very compatible. So that's the lipstick. How pretty. I just overall, I'm really excited with this haul. I think that all the products I have, I'm really going to like, and I'm really excited to try them in a video to show you guys my first impressions on many of these products that I just showed you here today. I'm so glad you guys hung out with me for a little while, and I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I do giveaways once a month. I have one open now until the it's actually, this one's for the past 2 months because I was really late in February. So it's for February, March. It ends March, and then the first week in April I'll announce the winner and I'll put up the new giveaway. And I think I finally reached 100 subscribers. And so for the April giveaway, it's going to be a little bigger. It's usually just one, you know, small prize. But since it's a little bit of a milestone, my first milestone, 100 subscribers, it's going to be a little bigger of a giveaway for the month of April. So look out for that. I know you hear this in probably every video you watch, but once you subscribe, then there'll be a little bell next to the subscribe button. You hit the bell, and it just shows up in your notifications every time whoever you hit the bell for, you know, whoever's videos, that it'll show up in your notifications every time they post a video. I did notice recently that some beauty YouTubers or YouTubers that I was subscribed to and I had the notification bell hit for, it became unhit for some reason. I went to double check because I was like, wow, I haven't seen this person post in a while, and they're usually very consistent, post often. So I checked, and some of the people that I, you know, was notified to, like, I hit the bell, I wanted to be notified when they upload videos, the bell was no longer hit for me, so I had to, you know, re-click it. So you might want to check. I don't know. Just thought I'd let you guys know because that's something I noticed, and I've been hearing a lot of complaints also of other people having some issues, so maybe that's why. But anyway, thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my April giveaway, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye!